Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeads.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today I'm going to show you how to make adjustable jewelry. There's a lot of options for making your handmade jewelry adjustable, whether you want some options when you're wearing it yourself or if you're making it for someone else and you don't know their size. Making adjustable jewelry can be really beneficial. Even if you're selling jewelry, it's great to have adjustable options for whoever might be interested in your work. So let's take a look at some options for adjustable jewelry. One of the most popular ways to make jewelry that's adjustable or can fit multiple sizes is to add an extender chain to the end of your project. And this can be added to bracelets and necklaces alike. It's often just several jump rings linked together, or you can even buy ready-made extender chains to add to the ends of your projects. And it just allows you different stations to attach your clasp to. So different people can wear the bracelets that you make. If you're selling jewelry, it gives the customer options so you don't have to custom make to their size. It's ready to go. If you're giving it as a gift, it allows for a little leeway. So really great. Extender chains are really nice. The other great thing about extender chains is you can sometimes add your own little dangle to the end of them, and sometimes they come with a little dangle already attached. So extender chains, that's a great way to make your jewelry adjustable and available in different sizes. Easy adjustable jewelry options, memory wire. Memory wire can stretch and then snap back to its original shape, so it makes it easy to slip over a variety of wrist sizes. Similarly, stretch cord is a great one for making jewelry that just about anyone can wear, as it does stretch and allows for some leeway in size. You can even make stretch jewelry with a loomed look. The endless loom has stretch cord that you can use with it to create an adjustable loom piece, and you could also go the extender chain route at the end of your loomed bracelets as well. So lots of option with stretch cord and memory wire. One fun way I like to make adjustable jewelry is by using silk ribbon. Silk ribbon comes in all of these beautiful colors, and the edges and ends are all stitched, so you can leave it long and tie wherever you want. You can wear this as a choker, wear it longer. The silk ribbon comes in 32 to 36 inches of length, so that gives you lots of length to work with. You can even use silk ribbon on the ends of beaded projects, but you can also just simply add a pendant, and then you've got an adjustable piece of jewelry that you can wear to whatever length you like. Even for wrap bracelets, something like silk ribbon is a great adjustable jewelry option. We have a variety of sliding grommets or clasps that make it really easy to create adjustable jewelry. These are string-on clasps. They've got a little grommet inside that grips the stringing material and then makes it easy to adjust to whatever size you need. And then you can just pull to tighten around your wrist. So those are really nice. Great for lariats too. Lariats are another really great adjustable jewelry option, but you can use those string-on clasps to make quick lariats as well, and then you can adjust the necklace size from there. You can also make your own sliding knot closures with string and cord, which is what I've done here, and that will also give you a sliding adjustable closure for your designs. You can even get creative with crimp tubes for sliding adjustable pieces. These little seed bead bracelets were finished with crimp tubes that easily slide in and out to give you an adjustable length on those bracelets. If you're working with leather and buttons, especially in wrap bracelets like this one, you can give yourself some options for size by creating multiple stations for the button to hook into. This bracelet has 2 loops, so you can adjust the bracelet size bigger or smaller. So that's really nice for these popular wrap bracelet designs. Buckles like this one are another great option. It allows you to kind of slide your material into the size you need and keeps it really secure. So for something like this, you would slide it to the size you need and then add that piece into the second buckle. And that'll tighten up the size as needed. So buckle closures like this one are another great option for adjustable jewelry. These are just a few examples of adjustable jewelry options in our design studio. We have so many more that are similar to these, probably even more that have different options for adjustable jewelry. All kinds of inspiration there. I've got links to all of the instructions for these pieces in the video description. We have full supplies lists and full instructions for each of these pieces so you can make them for yourself and learn the techniques that I've shared with you here today. So don't miss those. The links are in the video description. And please let me know what you do to make your jewelry adjustable in the comments. I'd love to know your tips and tricks. So I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about adjustable jewelry or if you have your own tips for making adjustable jewelry. I would love to hear them in the comments, so make sure to leave a like and a comment. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.